still cannot see. You still cannot see the port. Look.
Good na. Maro, I want to see your games. What are your games? What games do you have? Oh, you have Steam.
I don't have internet much. Actually, I don't have internet.
Maro.
What do you want? You can try that.
I'm not trying. I hate that game.
What if you hate that game?
I just want that game. Flash of the World.
That's how I memorize all
you
the
bought it. I
flags.
forgot to buy it.
Bro, Kyle and Patrol are playing Balatro as well.
Why do you have like 360? You can just use Instagram.
Instagram.
Your Instagram account is the same too.
No, my parents suggested me.
Oh, Gcash, wala siya much money. Do you know your password?
No.
Start pa na.
To be clear,
What do you mean you bought it? It's just like downloaded from APK Vision. So you did pirate this.
Yeah, I did pirate that.
You said you bought it.
When did I say I bought that? I just said I downloaded that.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, you should try the tutorial first. You don't know.
I know how to play.
Alright.
Actually, I forgot.
Flushes, straight flushes.
Ooh, I'm good there.
No, you have to pick 5 at least.
How do I pick 5?
You can either
Wait.
here, wait. Here. Do you know those?
Nah, just spam. Twin J fan.
That is a high card because it's not. Look. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is a straight.
So I sold.
No, you play the hand.
What is the rank?
Rank is the diamond, heart, spade, and so on.
Did I win?
No, you have to get at least 300 chips.
You only have small guys from that, right?
Yeah, this is that one. Alright, try.
Ooh. Is it William Afton?
No, there's no Final Fantasy collaboration, but there are Assassin's Creed.
Ooh,
Assassin's
it's good, right?
Okay.
So
You know, you can just one. Oh, you cannot flush because we only have 4 diamonds.
I'm so Sigma bro. 316 bro.
Alright, get up to 8 rounds of that.
How about you?
Bro, this is what Kyle and Patala play. And then you can have different jokers to, you know.
Good enough. Besan yung raketa na isa, yung red, black, and blue. No, yung ano, nasa table kanina. Ayun yung gamit yung namin. Yung di ba yung kailangan? Yung ba yun? Yung gamit yung namin. Yung the one with the white skirt. Yung dati namin. Hindi, yung ano, yung pinakita, yung hindi na nangyari. Sa table kanina. Ngayon, ayun, gamit ito yan. Ay na ako kayo. Feeling racket. Ay na ko.
towel.
The good shot.
This is my brother.
Tell your brother to send that video to you.
You can't send videos that big.
Ah,
You can't send videos that big. I'll put it on the channel.
7-minute video. In my
I'll put it on the channel. Share ko sa inyo. Lalagay ko doon lahat ng video.
Then you can discard.
Let's go!
Here, you should discard. Discard is means that you can get a lot of information.
What time is it?